In this video, I will show you some tips that will allow you to make your following and your followers list more private on Instagram. So unfortunately, there is no specific settings that will change to actually hide this list, but there are some techniques that we can use to make them more private. And if you have a professional account or business account within Instagram, you will not be able to do those steps. It only works on personal account. So as for me, I already switched my business account to my personal account. So in order to hide those following and followers list, we have to make our Instagram account private. The first thing we need to do is go to your settings and tap on the three lines at the upper right. Select settings and privacy and select account privacy. As you can see here, my Instagram account is on public mode. So just click that one, and to make it private, as you can see here, you just needed to toggle that over. And click on switch to private. It says here that when your account is private, only the followers you approve can see what you share, including your photos or videos on hashtag and location pages and your followers and following list. So there you have it, your account is already on private. So this is how it looks like when your account is private. If someone goes to my account and I have not accepted them as a follower and they try to open the follower or the following list, nothing will happen, just like this. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on my next one. Thanks for watching.